In this video, I will show you how to make frame text effect using Canva. So, as you notice here, we've got photos on the actual letters. So if you want to be a little bit creative, this is a cool effect to try. But to do this, you need to use Canvas elements, then select frame, scroll down and you will find the alphabet's letters. Select all the letters you need, T, D, X, and T again. Once we have all the letters, what we're going to do is just arrange it. All right, so I have arranged all the letters. Now the next step is to have photos. From Element, search for landscape and select photos. Choose your photo and all you need is to drag and drop it to the letter where you want that image on. So we'll do this for all the letters. You can adjust the photo by doing double-click on the letter, and then arrange the photo where you want. Also, you can do this using one image for all the letters,